Growing up, there was always one corner of the house that felt warmer than the rest, not because of sunlight or expensive furniture, but because of feeling. A soft crocheted table runner rested on the center table. Cushion covers with tiny floral patterns hugged the sofa. On quiet evenings, a handmade crochet throw waited patiently to be pulled over tired legs. That corner felt alive. It felt loved. Even as a child, I didn't know the word aesthetic or home decor, but I understood comfort. I understood warmth. I understood that someone somewhere had taken time to make something with their hands just for that space. That was my first real introduction to crochet, and its magic never left me. Crochet is not just yarn and hooks. It is patience turned into beauty. It is creativity woven into everyday living. It is tradition meeting modern style. It is one of the few forms of home decor that carries a soul you can feel the moment you walk into a room. Crochet doesn't rush. It doesn't pretend. It sits quietly and transforms a house into a home. The beauty of crochet and home decor lies in its texture and softness. Unlike flat, factory-made fabrics, crochet adds depth and character. It brings life to surfaces that might otherwise feel cold or empty. A crocheted piece doesn't just sit in a space, it belongs there. The stitches catch the light differently throughout the day, creating gentle shadows and highlights that shift with time. Neutral crochet tones calm the mind, while colorful designs bring joy and personality into a room. Whether simple or detailed, crochet has a way of making spaces feel welcoming without trying too hard. There is also a quiet elegance to crochet. It doesn't shout for attention, yet it is always noticed. Visitors may not immediately identify what makes a room feel so comfortable, but they feel it. Crochet creates an atmosphere where people relax, where conversations flow easily, where time seems to slow down just a little. That is real beauty, the kind that stays with you long after you leave. One of the most loved and accessible crochet decor ideas is crochet cushion covers. They are small pieces, but their impact is powerful. A plain sofa can be completely transformed with just a few crocheted cushions. Granny square designs add a nostalgic, vintage charm, reminding us of simpler times. Modern geometric patterns fit beautifully into contemporary homes. Floral designs soften living spaces, while chunky stitches create a cozy farmhouse feel. Crochet cushion covers are flexible and adaptable. You can change them with the seasons, using lighter cotton yarns for warmer months and thicker textured yarns when the weather turns cool. They blend effortlessly with wood, leather, linen, and even metal, proving that crochet is timeless, not old-fashioned. Cushions are not just decor, they are comfort. They support tired backs, cradle sleepy heads, and invite people to sit longer. When they are crocheted, that comfort feels intentional. It feels personal. It feels like someone cared enough to add softness to everyday life. Crochet throws and blankets take that feeling even further. A crochet throw is not just something you place on a couch for decoration, it is an invitation to rest, to breathe, to slow down. Draped casually over an armchair or folded neatly at the foot of a bed, a crochet blanket changes the mood of an entire room. It breaks harsh lines, softens edges, and adds movement and warmth. When you wrap yourself in a crochet blanket, you feel more than warmth. You feel safety. You feel calm. You feel at home. What makes crochet blankets truly special is that no two are ever exactly the same. Even when following the same pattern, each maker's hands create subtle differences. These differences tell stories. They reflect patience, care, and sometimes even emotion. Crochet blankets often become heirlooms, passed from one generation to another, carrying memories stitched into every row. Tables are the heart of many homes. They hold meals, conversations, celebrations, and quiet moments alike. Crocheted table runners and placemats honor that importance beautifully. A crochet runner instantly elevates a dining table, coffee table, or side table. It adds charm without overwhelming the space. Delicate lace-style runners bring elegance and tradition, while bold, textured designs add character to modern interiors. Crochet placemats protect surfaces while turning everyday meals into moments that feel special. Breakfast feels warmer, dinner feels more thoughtful. Even a simple cup of tea feels different when placed on a crocheted mat. The balance crochet brings to table decor is part of its uniqueness. It is decorative yet practical, beautiful yet functional. It reminds us that everyday life deserves beauty too, not just special occasions. Windows are often overlooked in home decor, yet they play a powerful role in shaping how a space feels. Crochet curtains and window accents dress windows gently. They allow light to filter through in soft, patterned ways, creating an atmosphere that feels calm and dreamy. Morning sunlight passing through crochet feels warm and comforting. Afternoon light feels peaceful. Unlike heavy curtains, crochet keeps spaces airy and open, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Crochet window decor works especially well in kitchens, reading corners, and cozy living spaces where light and comfort matter most. Walls, too, can benefit from the gentle touch of crochet. Crochet wall hangings bring texture-based art into a home. Mandalas create a sense of calm and balance. Abstract designs add a modern twist. Floral and nature-inspired patterns bring the outdoors inside. Crochet wall art softens walls, reducing the coldness that bare surfaces can sometimes create. In a world filled with printed art and mass-produced decor, crochet stands out because it is tactile. You don't just look at it, you feel drawn to it. Floors deserve comfort as well, and crochet rugs and mats provide exactly that. Placed beside beds, under coffee tables, at entryways, or in bathrooms, crochet rugs add warmth underfoot while tying a room together visually. Circular rugs create flow and softness, while rectangular mats add structure. Made with thick yarns or recycled materials, crochet rugs are durable yet gentle. They are practical, stylish, and full of character. Every step on a crochet rug feels intentional, like walking on care itself. Organization is another area where crochet shines. Crochet storage baskets turn everyday clutter into something beautiful. Used to store blankets, toys, magazines, laundry, or household items, they keep spaces tidy without feeling harsh or industrial. Their softness makes them friendly and safe, especially in homes with children. Neutral-colored baskets blend seamlessly into calm spaces, while colorful ones add playful accents. Crochet baskets prove that organization doesn't have to be boring or cold. It can be warm and welcoming too. Plants bring life into a home, and crochet plant holders celebrate that life. Hanging crochet planters add vertical interest and are perfect for small spaces. They free up floor space while creating visual layers that make rooms feel dynamic. Crochet plant cozies placed on shelves or windowsills add texture and charm. Yarn and greenery complement each other naturally. One is handmade, the other alive, and together they create balance. This combination makes a home feel both crafted and organic. In the bedroom, where rest matters most, crochet truly belongs. Crochet bed runners, pillow covers, bedside mats, and throws add softness without heaviness. They create an environment that encourages relaxation and peace. Crochet absorbs sound, softens light, and reduces visual clutter. Unlike shiny or stiff decor, it feels gentle and calming. A bedroom with crochet feels like a retreat, a place where the body and mind can truly rest. What makes crochet unique above all else is that it cannot be rushed. Every stitch takes time. Every pattern requires focus. That slowness is reflected in the finished piece. In a fast-moving world, crochet reminds us to pause. It connects us to tradition, to creativity, and to the simple joy of making something with their hands. Crochet pieces often carry cultural meaning, personal memories, and emotional value. They are not just objects, they are stories. Crochet belongs in every home because it serves more than one purpose. It decorates while comforting. It organizes while beautifying. It tells stories while creating warmth. It adapts to every style, from modern to traditional, from minimal to colorful. It fills spaces without overwhelming them. It adds personality without demanding attention. Most importantly, crochet reminds us that homes are not just walls and furniture, They are feelings. They are moments. They are the quiet joy of sitting on a couch wrapped in a handmade blanket. They are the smile that comes from seeing something beautiful made with care. When you bring crochet into your home, you are choosing warmth in a world that often feels cold. You are choosing patience in a fast-paced life. You are choosing beauty that lasts. A home with crochet is not just decor, it is lived in, it is loved, it is truly home.